Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do data handling, chapter 24, the multiple choice type. Page number 286, choose the correct answer from the options given below. The mean of the first 5 odd natural numbers are. What is the mean of the first 5 odd natural numbers? So first we need to write down what are the first 5 odd natural numbers. So the first 5 odd natural numbers, remember natural numbers start from 1. So the first one is 1, then we have 3, 5, 7 and 9. So these are the first 5 odd natural numbers. Now to find the mean, we need to use this formula, sum of all the observations. So these are the observations or the data. So we have to write the sum of all these observations divided by the number of observations. So let's do that. So sum of all that will be 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. Divided by how many? 5. The 5 odd natural numbers divided by 5. So that is equal to 25 divided by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So the required mean is 5 and this is our answer. And which option is that? That is option 2, 5. So that is our answer. Question 2. The mean of all these observations is 7. So the answer is given to us 6, 8, 5, x and 4. The mean is 7. Now we need to find the value of x. So what are all the observations? The observations are 6, 8, 5, x and 4. And now to find the value of x here, we don't know what x is. To find the value of x, let's use the same formula to find the mean. So mean is sum of all observations by the number of observations. Now we are going to substitute wherever we have a value. Now we already know what the mean is. The mean is 7. So here we can say 7 is equal to sum of all the observations are 6 plus 8 plus 5 plus x plus 4. Divided by how many observations are there? There are 5 observations. So now this has now become a simple linear equation and we're going to solve for x. So first thing we'll do is we'll move this 5 to the other side. So when 5 goes to the other side, it becomes multiplication 5 into 7. So that will be 5 into 7 is equal to, now here let's add up all these, 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. 19 plus 4 is 23. So that is 23 plus x. So 23 plus x. So now to find the value of x, we say x is equal to, now here 5 into 7 is 35 and we are going to move this 23 away from x and put it along with 35. So because it is plus here, when it goes to the other side, it becomes minus. So 35 minus 23. So now the value of x is 35 minus 23, which is 12. So we have found our answer. The value of x is 12 and that is option 1. Option 1, 12 is our answer. Question 3. The median of these observations of or data is what we need to find out. So first let's begin by saying that given data is this. This is the given data. What is the median? Median is the value that comes in the middle after you arrange the given data in ascending or descending order. So what we're going to do is, first step, we have to arrange this data in ascending or descending order. So let's arrange in ascending order. So let's begin. Let's take the number 7, ascending is small to big, 7 and 8 first. So 7, 8 and then we have 14. So let's take that 14 and 15. So we have 14, 15. Then we have 25, 26 and 36. Okay, so we have 25, 26 and 36. So we have arranged our data in ascending order. The next thing that we need to do is write down the number of terms. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the number of terms is 7 and this is an odd number. Isn't it? 7 is an odd number. So now to find the median, when the number of terms is odd, we have to apply this formula n plus 1 by 2. Now this is the term that we are going to. These are all the terms. Now which term is it? Now the median, when you apply this formula, when the number of terms is odd, will give us the answer. And what is n? N is the number of terms. Okay, so let's apply this formula. So n plus 1 means 7 plus 1 divided by 2. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. That means we are talking about the fourth term. The median is the fourth term. So let's look out for the fourth term. 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth term is 15 and this is our median. So the median is 15. Did you understand, children, how to get your answer? If the number of terms is odd, you have to apply this formula. And what is n? N is the number of terms. So here the number of terms is 7. So apply the formula and get your answer. So the median is 15 and that is option 2. Option 2, 15 is our answer. Question 4. Again, we are asked to find the median of all these terms here. Okay, so we begin by writing down the data given to us. So the data given to us is this. Next step is arranging them in ascending order. So let's begin. Now we'll take 2 and then we have 4 and 4. So let's write that. So 2, 4, 4. Then we have 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, let's write that. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have 10, 12 and 14. So we have all the numbers. So we have 10, 12 and 14. So we have arranged our data in ascending order. Next step is to write the number of terms. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the number of terms, now this number of terms is n. Okay, so this is n and that is 10 and this is an even number. So now when it is an even number, the formula to apply is different. So the median, to find the median, the formula that we are going to apply is half into, now n by 2, this term plus n by 2 plus 1, that term. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. So let me repeat that. Half into n by 2, that term. Once you divide that term plus n by 2 plus 1, that term. When you add up the 2 and divide it by 2, that is the term that is going to be your median here. Another way of finding it is a simpler way. I will teach you how to cross check once this is done. So let's do this. So let's start working this out. So this is 1 by 2 into, now n by 2, and n is the number of terms, that is 10 by 2. This term, okay, 10 by 2, that term plus 10 by 2 plus 1. So this term also. So when we add this up and divide it by 2, we get our answer. So here, let's simplify this further now. So here we have 10 by 2. 10 by 2 is 5. So that means the fifth term plus, here we have 10 by 2, that is 5, plus 1, that is the sixth term. So let me write that straight away here. The fifth term plus the sixth term, and you divide it by 2. So here, half into, which is the fifth term. So let's count the fifth term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fifth term is 7 plus the next one is the sixth term, which is 8. So 7 plus 8, which is equal to half into 7 plus 8 is 15. So now we have to multiply this. 15 ones are 15, 15 by 2. We've got 15 by 2, which is 7.5. That means our median is 7.5. So this is our answer, 7.5, and that is option 4, 7.5. Now a simpler way of doing, or for you to cross check after you have done, is this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how we do this. So here you have first arranged it in ascending order, isn't it? After you arrange it in ascending order, start crossing it out on both sides. Start crossing out the terms on both sides. So I'll show you how to do it. So we cross out this, we cross out this. Then again left and right, left and right, left and right. Now we have two terms in the middle, that is 7 and 8. So what we have to do is add it up. 7 plus 8 is 15. Divided by 2, we get 7.5. This is the easier way of doing it. But if you're expected to use the formula and do, you have to do this method. Otherwise, it's just crossing it out and reaching the middle term. And that, if it is an even number, you divide it by 2. Here we got two numbers, isn't it? We've got two numbers, 7 plus 8. So we are adding it up and dividing it by 2. Suppose you had only one number, that will be your answer. Okay. Question 5. The mode of this data. So this time you're talking about mode. And what is the mode? Mode is a number that occurs most frequently in the data given to us. So let's begin by writing all the observations or the data. So these are all the observations. Now the next step is we have to look out for the number that occurs most frequently. So let's take the first number 11. So here we have 11 once and we have 11 twice. So let's write that down. So 11, it occurs two times. Then let's take the next number, that is 1. Okay, so 1 we have it once and then we have it once more. That means 1 occurs two times. Then let's go to 12. So 1, then we have 2, 3 and 4. So 12 occurs 4 times. So let's write that 12 occurs 4 times. Then let's go to 14. So we have 14 only once. So 14 occurs only once. And then we have, what else is left? 13. 13 also occurs only once. So 13 occurs only once. So which is the number that is occurring most frequently? It is the number 12, isn't it? The number 12 occurs 4 times. More, so the others are only 2, 2, 1 and 1. So 12 is the number that occurs most frequently. So that means what is our mode? Our mode is 12. So this is our answer. And that is option 3. Option 3, 12 is our answer. Question 6. The range of data. So we have the data given to us. Now we have to find the range. So this is different again. So first thing, let's write down the data. So this is our data. Range means the largest number minus the smallest number. So here, let's look out for the largest number, 18, 20, 26, 40, 34. Now we have 40, we have 60, we have 78. So the largest number is 78 minus now the smallest number. We have 18. Is there anything smaller than 18? We don't have anything smaller than 18. So 78 minus 18, and that is 60. So the range is 60. Range of the observations given is 60. This is our answer, and that is option 2. Option 2, 60 is our answer. Question 7. The mean weight of 10 oranges is 120 grams. If the weight of each orange is reduced by 10 grams, the new mean weight of oranges is. So now we are asked to find the new mean weight. So this mean weight that has been given is for the original oranges. 10 oranges, and that was 120. Now the weight has been reduced of each orange. So we have to find the new mean weight. This is the old mean weight. Now we have to find the new mean weight. Now to find the new mean weight, we have to find the new weight of the oranges, isn't it? So let's begin by writing the mean weight of oranges given to us in the question is 120 grams. This is the mean weight. Now the mean, how do we find the mean? Sum of the weight of all oranges by the number of oranges, isn't it? Now we already have the mean, but we don't have the weight of all the oranges. So we are going to find the weight of all the oranges first. Then we have to reduce the weight of each orange by 10 grams. So let's do that. So for that, we are going to use this formula. Mean is equal to sum of weight of all oranges divided by the number of oranges. Here we know what the mean is. The mean is 120 grams. We know the number of oranges. It is 10 oranges given to us in the question. This is what we're going to find out, the total weight of the oranges or sum of weight of all the oranges. So here let's do this here. So mean is given to us, that is 120 grams, and that is equal to sum of the weight of all oranges. So let me write that as total weight. Total weight by the number of oranges, and that is 10. So this is equal to 120. Now to find the total weight, I'm going to take away this 10 from here and put it on the other side. So it becomes multiplication into 10. And this is giving us the total weight. So the total weight is 120 into 10, which is 1200 grams. So total weight is 1200 grams. So this is the total weight of 10 oranges. 120 is the mean weight of 10 oranges. Now the weight of each orange is reduced by 10 grams. The weight of each orange is reduced by 10 grams. That means the total weight reduction. There are 10 oranges. Each orange is reduced by 10 grams. So the total weight reduction is 100 grams. That means this is the total weight initially. Now it has reduced by 100 grams. So now we have to find the new weight. So let's find the new total weight. That will be the total weight minus the weight reduction here. That is 1200 grams minus 100 grams. And how much is that? 1100 grams. So this is the new total weight. Now to find the new mean weight. Remember, we are asked to find the new mean weight. So we say new total weight of all oranges by the number of oranges. So we are going to find the new mean weight, which is a new total weight, 1100 grams. This is 1100 grams and the number of oranges is 10. So now we can cancel. We can cancel 10 here and 10 here. 110 by 1 is 110 itself. 110 grams is our answer. So the new mean weight is 110 grams, and that is option 2, 110 grams. Question 8. The mean of 5 numbers is 30. If one of the numbers is excluded, that means now it's going to be 4 numbers. Then the mean of the remaining numbers reduces by 3. So what is that excluded number? Now here we have mean of 5 numbers. From that we have to find the sum of these 5 numbers. Here also we have the mean of 4 numbers, the remaining 4 numbers. We have to find the sum of the remaining 4 numbers. When we subtract the two sums, we will know what the excluded number is. So let's begin by saying mean of 5 numbers is given to us. Now with the help of the formula for mean, we are going to find the sum of these 5 numbers. So what is the formula? Mean is sum of the numbers by 5. Since there are 5 numbers, by 5. So what is mean? So mean will be, it's already given to us, the mean is 30. So 30 is equal to sum of the numbers divided by 5. So 30 is the mean. So in the place of mean, I've written 30. Sum of the numbers I've written as it is and by 5. Now to find the sum of the numbers, we just have to move this 5 to the other side, that is 5 into 30. So sum of the numbers will be 5 or 30 into 5, which is 150. So we have found the sum of 5 numbers now. Now we've been given the mean of the remaining 4 numbers. What have they told us? The mean of the remaining 4 numbers reduces by 3. That means it was 30, isn't it? The 5 numbers reduces by 3 minus 3. So 30 minus 3 is 27. So we have the mean of the remaining 4 numbers. Now we have to find the sum of the remaining 4 numbers. So again we're going to apply the formula. That is, mean is equal to sum of the remaining numbers. This time we're going to divide it by 4. So this is equal to, the mean is this time 27, which is equal to sum of the numbers which we don't know divided by 4 this time. So again, to find the sum of the remaining numbers, we multiply 27 into 4. So the sum of the remaining number will be equal to 27 into 4, which is 108. So sum of the remaining numbers is equal to 108. So what do we have? We have the sum of the 5 numbers, which is 150. Now we have the sum of 4 numbers, which is 108. To find the excluded number, we have to divide sum of the given 5 numbers minus sum of the remaining 4 numbers. So that is 150 minus 108. And that is equal to 42. That means we've got our answer. The excluded number is 42. So let's circle that. That is option 3, 42. Excluded number, we can write it here. The excluded number is 42. Question 9. The mean of 8 numbers is 25. If one new number is included, that means now the number will become 9. Then the mean also increases by 2. So the mean was 25. It's going to increase by 2. That means it's going to become 27. Now we are asked to find the included number based on all these details. To find the included number or the excluded number, we should know the sum of the numbers given and sum of the new numbers. So once we find the sums, then we can subtract the two, we will get the included number. So let's begin by saying mean of 8 numbers is 25. Now with the help of this formula, we can find the sum of 8 numbers. So mean is equal to sum of the numbers divided by 8. So sum of the numbers divided by 8. Now we have to use the formula for mean. Now mean we already know is 25. This is equal to sum of the numbers divided by 8. Sum of 8 numbers divided by 8. Now we need only the sum of 8 numbers. So we multiply these two. 8 into 25. So sum of 8 numbers will be 25 into 8, which is 200. So now we have the sum of 8 numbers. Similarly, we have to find the sum of 9 numbers. Now, what is the mean of 9 numbers? Here it says the mean will increase by 2. So initially it was 25, add 2. So 25 plus 2 is 27. So this is the mean of 9 numbers. With the help of this formula, we're going to find the sum of 9 numbers. So the formula is sum of the numbers divided by 9. So now we already know the mean. Mean is 27. This is equal to sum of the numbers divided by 8. Divided by 9 because we have 9 numbers here. Now to find the sum of 9 numbers, we have to multiply 27 into 9. So sum of 9 numbers is 27 into 9, which is equal to 243. So this is equal to 243. Now we have the sum of 8 numbers. We have the sum of 9 numbers. We just have to subtract these two. So included number will be sum of 9 numbers minus sum of the given 8 numbers. That is 243 minus 200. So what do we have? 43. That means the included number is 43. So this is our answer. And which option is that? That is option 3, 43. Question 10. For the given data, what is that data? Starting from 53 up to 84. For this data, the value of 100 minus median is what we need to find out. So first we have to find the median of this data and subtract it from 100. So let's begin. The data given to us is this. Now whenever you find the median, you arrange the given data in ascending or descending order. Now this is already arranged in the ascending order, so you don't have to make any change. Now the next step is we count the number of terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 terms. And 9 is an odd number. So we have to look out for that whether it's odd or even. Now the formula to find median when it is an odd number is n plus 1 by 2. And what is n? N is the number of terms. Now this n plus 1 by 2 term, that will give us the median. So n plus 1, n is 9 number of terms plus 1, by 2. So this term. So let's calculate that. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 by 2 is 5. That means the fifth term. So the median is the fifth term. So let's look out for the fifth term. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fifth term is 65 and this is our median. So the median is 65. Now we have to find 100 minus median. That is 100 minus 65. 100 minus 65 is 35. And this is our answer. 35 is 100 minus median. We'll stop with that for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.